I saw it and I was like, does it look like an asylum, like a hospital dress? It's so cute. It's so good. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiana and today I have a fall fashion thrift haul for you guys. Staying on theme today, so I'm wearing a fully thrifted outfit. I cannot believe I got this jacket from Goodwill. And this skirt, even though I got them at two separate locations, they're not the same brand, but it's like this matching dark cherry red leather set I'm in love with. And then I have a little J. Crew black tank button-up with it. So yeah, just wanted to start off the video on trend. We're gonna start off with button-ups and then we're gonna get into like skirts and dresses, but I just went to the thrift store and then I also went like a couple weeks ago. So I'm just gonna combine those hauls together to make this fall fashion essentials haul. Starting off strong, we have this like kind of sheer leopard print top. Leopard print is so in right now. I used to not like it and then I liked it and I didn't like it, and now that everyone's like obsessed with it again, I am being influenced, so I decided to pick this up. So I style this with like a little black tube mini skirt type thing, and then I tuck it in and I have these really cute leopard print heels. Let me show you. Stunning. So cute, so chic. I'm obsessed with these. I got them from H&M like a while ago, but so good. This is so perfect for fall. I just love it so much. Also, I forgot to say this in the intro, I will be doing a little try on. So we're gonna start off with the button-ups, then get into skirts and dresses, and then I'm gonna try everything on for you guys. This button-up number one, obsessed. Okay, button-up number two, this is from White House Black Market, and it has this cute little like, I think it's kind of French, this little lace trim thing, ties, so like posh. She's so old money, she's wealthy. Love her. This was in my fall fashion essentials video. If you haven't seen that, you should check that out. I'm gonna link it in the description and I'll put it in the little eye thing. Take this off because it's getting kind of hot. You can get a better look at the skirts. This one, the pattern is so sweet and precious. Look at these little tiny bows and dots. Like, this is so cute. And this is kind of like the other one where it has a little tie at the top. Imagine a little bow right there. It's so good. So I just got like a bunch of little basics that I can just throw on, and if you know what outfit templates are, I have an outfit template that uses like a button up and a skirt, and it's like so good. I use it every single fall and winter. And if you want to learn more about outfit templates, again, check out that video that I posted. I think it's my second most recent video. It's like a long format. So just like darling baby girl, so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, this one I haven't even tried on yet, but it's from Express, and I don't know why. Like, I swear at the thrift store something about it was like calling my name, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't know, because it has this like weird sleeve thing. Like, I've never seen this before in my life. I don't know, but it has a tie and it's probably really flattering at the waist because you can like adjust it. I had a vision. Not quite seeing the vision right now, but when we try it on, maybe I'll instantly fall in love. Okay, this button up makes me think of the other mother from Coraline so much. It just looks so much like her. She doesn't wear this, but it looks like something she would wear, if that makes sense. This one's actually really nice. I'm really glad that I got this. I love this part. It kind of like cinches in and then goes out, so it's more flattering. No tag ripped off. I did try this one already and I love it. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all of the button-ups. Now let me show you a few skirts that I got today. Okay, I lied. This one and the next one I got a couple weeks ago, but I haven't like made a video about it, so we're just gonna pretend like I just got them. This I wore and I got so many compliments the day that I wore this, and I almost didn't even get it. Like, I didn't know it was cute like that. Like, I didn't know. I don't know, like, I just didn't expect people to really like this. But it kind of reminds me of like a tapestry or a curtain. It's this gorgeous satin material, and then this gold part right here, I swear it like sparkles in the light. You can wear like high-waisted, or if you kind of unzip it a little bit and then roll it down, you can wear it low-rise as well. This is perfect fall colors. Gold, maroon, and black. So good. So good. Okay, this dress, I wanted to show it to you now because it reminds me of that skirt. I haven't tried this one on either, but I just needed it because it looks so fancy. At first I saw it and I was like, is that tacky? But then I like touched it. It's this gorgeous silk. I think it's pretty nicely made, and I really like this like little seam right there. I feel like it makes it look a lot more expensive, and it's in perfect condition. So I'm hoping that this one looks good. I think it will. Usually I go mini or maxi. I rarely do this in between thing because I think it's kind of awkward. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I'll take it in. I could just like cut off a couple inches. We'll see, maybe it's perfect. Okay, so this skirt has been all over Pinterest. I feel like the last 2 years I've seen this skirt everywhere. If this is something you've seen before, please comment down below and let me know, because I swear I'm not crazy. Like, I used to see this skirt everywhere. It's so cute. It's so good. It has these little knit hearts in them, and then this little, what is that called? Fair Isle? I don't know. Because I shop so much, I start to like pick up the lingo and what the patterns mean, what they're called. Pretty sure this is Fair Isle. When am I gonna wear something this short? I don't know, but it's so cute, and it's dark brown. I don't know if you can tell the color, but like imagine this low rise with these boots and then like a white knit shirt. Actually, I know exactly how I'm gonna style this. It's gonna be so good. Okay, before I keep going, I just wanted to say that if you guys have any video ideas for me, like anything you really want to see, any questions, please comment them and let me know, or email me, you know, whatever your heart desires. I have a big list of videos that I want to make, but I just don't know like what stuff are you guys actually interested in seeing. Let me know and I will deliver. Okay, this one is more of like a Christmas skirt, but I think it's definitely like, I could still wear this in the fall. I have this bag that's gonna look so good with it, and I just know exactly how to style it, and I just know it's gonna look so good. I think it's gonna fit. I'm praying and hoping. Maybe if not, it could be like a little low-rise thing. I don't know. Could it be a top? Low-rise jeans? You know, I might try that. Colors are a little bit odd. It's got this blue in it, which I really didn't realize that at first, but I got it because of the red and green and the yellow. I just think that that's so seasonal. Not my usual colors, and I'm trying to branch out a little bit more from just like pink and white and red and black, because those are my go-tos. Kind of like shift me into different color schemes. This one, I saw it and I was like, does it look like an asylum, like a hospital dress? Yes, but I have a vision. Like this with a belt, and imagine if I cut it so it's like a really short mini dress, and then I wear it with like probably brown boots like this, and then belt it. Like, I think there's hope. I really want it to look good. I don't know. We're just gonna hope for the best. I really like the sleeves and the neckline. It was just kind of the length and the shape that made me think like, something's a little bit off. The last thing that I got is these pants. They were in the pajama section, so I was like, oh, what is that? Like, I wanna sleep in that. But I realized that with this waistband and the tag, it looks like they're real pants. So I'm gonna try to style this in a way where I can wear them out to like work or something, because they're so soft and silky. They just feel so luxurious. I hate when they have like a drawstring and you can't actually use it. Like, what is the purpose? What is the point? This one you can actually use, which, thank you. Finished showing you guys everything. Now let me try it all on. I'm gonna try to do it in the same order that I showed you, so it's like chronological. Yeah, chronological. Okay, for these first ones, I'm just gonna use this as an outfit template. We are going to keep the skirt and the bag the same, and then we'll switch up the shirt, and then I'll pick like a pair of shoes to match. Just to make it faster and easier, and then you get a little sneak peek, like what is an outfit template? How does it work? Watch my video. I have the matching leopard print shoes, just like a basic mini skirt, a cool black bag to add some texture, you know, it's like a little snakeskin, but it's fake though. And then yeah, the button up. I really love this shirt. Like, I think it looks really good. And I don't think it's too see-through. This one makes me feel so corporate. Like, I feel like I just got out of the office. Just a working girl. This shirt is honestly a pain. I didn't realize how difficult the buttons were. So I'm just gonna hide the ones that I didn't button, this little bow. And then I'm wearing these white pumps with it. Same skirt, same bag. Simple, classy, chic. All of the things. So for this one, I'm styling it just like a little bit differently. I have black. I have white boots. I have white boots on. These are so cute. My mom just I keep forgetting that you guys can't like see, but these are the boots. I have this shirt untucked because I'm wondering if I can belt it and make it like a new style, a new look. So I have this little white square buckle belt. Let's see what this looks like. Let this like untied for a little bit more of a relaxed look, more casual that way. Does that look good? Let me see. I mean, it's not bad. I don't know if it's better though. This is with the belt. Something's making me not like it tucked in. Like I kind of liked it better. Like, just kind of loose. This shirt was a nightmare to get on, and I still can't even get it all the way on because I don't think this is the right bra to wear with it. Oh my god. It is very uncomfortable, but I think it does look cute. One thing is like digging in right here. I guess it's the seam. I see why someone gave this up, you know? But despite that, I feel like hypothetically if this was zipped up, it is a cute skirt. However, I would style it differently, so let me do that real quick. This is probably how I would style this. I just have like a little cream bag. I don't love the gold chain, but it's okay. Some low-rise jeans so that when I like lift my arms, it's like a little, I love when you can see just like an inch or like a centimeter of stomach. Like when you move, you can just kind of see it a little. I think that's so feminine. I don't know, it just looks so good. And then my red pumps because I love flared jeans and pumps, and I love me a pop of red. So it just felt right. This is so irritating. Like I don't know if I would ever fit into this or if it's literally just a bra, I don't know. But this is how I would wear this if it fit me the right way. That last shirt is, oh my god, like I feel like it destroyed my hair. So don't mind that. I love this shirt, it's so comfy. Threw back on the template, and then I thrifted these shoes a little bit ago. They're not the most comfortable, but they're so cute. I love the little lace and the bow. I just couldn't resist. I needed them. Yeah, here's the shirt. Now let me show you the few skirts, the dress, and then the pants. For this skirt, I paired it with the skirt. Believe it or not, I just turned it into a top and I just tucked it in and added this dark brown belt. I have my favorite red bag ever, and then these shoes, which I actually got from my best friend, but she decided she did not want them, so she just gave them back to me. These, with the skirt, with the bag, and the other skirt. I think it's a really pretty outfit. I don't feel like getting them because I'm feeling lazy, but I have these perfect white fur boots that would look so good with this outfit, but I don't feel like getting them right now. So I'm just wearing this with these go-go boots from before, but here's the look that I was talking about that I thought was gonna be really good. First of all, I'm loving the skirt, but this shirt I thrifted, I think 2 years ago, and this is genuinely one of my favorite thrift finds. It's just like a vintage American Eagle knit baby doll top, and I don't know what it is about it, but I love this shirt. I wear it all the time in the colder seasons. I do really like the skirt. It is extremely short, but I like the knit on knit, and I like the way that this kind of like cuts here, flares out, and then it has this little flare at the end. I feel like it looks really intentional, like it's supposed to go together. This is so cute. Okay, this outfit is literally perfect. Like this, I have no notes. Okay, well, this bag could match the skirt just like a little bit better. In my head, they were the exact same pattern, but I see now that the colors are slightly different. I don't think it matters. This is so cute. And then I have it with these little red pumps that are suede that I also thrifted. This is really good. This dress is good in theory because, okay, I did not realize there are belt loops, which is good because I guess I can just put a belt in there. It's annoying because there's clearly a matching belt that I did not, like I was not aware of that. Like imagine if it was like that. This reminds me of like a vintage Barbie dress. So let's just try to find a belt that hopefully looks good with this. I'm not sure if you can see my head because I'm wearing these obnoxiously high Barbie shoes that I thrifted and I cannot walk in, but I love the way that they look. I love how like impossible they look. You know what I mean? You see a woman wearing shoes that look like so unachievable, but yet she's walking so beautifully. Like I love that. And this was giving that, except I actually can't walk in them. It's like the So Kate red bottoms, except they're not red bottoms and I can't walk in them. But I found this belt, I think it matches perfectly, and then I just have the black bag that we've been using for this whole video. And I think this is a success. Imagine this with like some crinoline underneath to give it some shape. It's a very twirly dress though. I think it's stunning. Oh my god, you guys are not ready. So the vision that I had in my head, it's not exactly what I had in mind. Let me see if I can save it. Okay. So it makes my waist look ridiculous in a good way, in a great way even. However, I still feel something's just not right. Like something is off. So I am going to cut it. I'm just gonna chop it off. Also, there are pockets, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna try to cut it right below the pocket line to make it like short. What if instead I cut it here to make a skirt? I'm gonna make it shorter. Okay, I cut the dress. I don't know if you can see the full length. I'm just gonna pray that you can. So I did cut it just a little bit too short, but I think it works. I feel like I'm picturing this on like someone's Instagram post, like on the explore page, and I feel like it's really good. Like I think I can make this work, at least for a picture. I don't know about actually going out and about in this, but it's giving very much like farmer's daughter vibes. Like I have these little bloomers, little gingham, little brown bag, and my boots. If I had brown cowboy boots, it would be perfect, but I do not. We'll try it with the belt, even though I'm pretty sure it's too short. And the belt kind of makes it a little bit shorter, but we'll see. Okay, wait, this is kind of good. Let me, can't stand up there that long because of these boots, but I think this is kind of cute. And now I have all of this extra fabric, so let me know, what should I do with this? Like, should I make it into a headband, a bow, or scarf? I don't know. There's so many different things I could do with this. But like a little headscarf, but bows though. I don't know. But this is actually pretty good. Like, I think I did a good job. Let's do a little before. Here's the before. A little bit questionable. And then here's the after. Yay, so good. These honestly might be my new favorite pants. Like, these are so cute. And with the bag and the matching shoes, like these little kitten heels, to die for. I have it with this cream top because I think it's the only thing that I have in this color. I'm also obsessed with this bag, and I do think even though the blues are different, I think it still kind of goes together. Here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content just like this. So again, if you have any video ideas, if there's something specific you want to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let a girl know. I hope you have an amazing morning, day, night, wherever you are, whatever time zone you're in, and yeah, bye!